Good morning, everyone. Today is our new lesson. Today we are going to revise again the temperature with each other and the thermometer. Because if you have had any questions, I'll be able to answer it today. And we will revise it quickly, and then we will solve and watch the thermometer song. It will be nice, and this all for today. I will not start anything new for today. Next week we will be able to start the new things. So let's start our lesson today. We said that we have finished the four seasons, and we said that the winter comes after the spring and then summer and then the autumn. We are not going to talk in it again. And then we said that we are going to talk about the temperature. What does it mean by temperature? Temperature, it's how hot or cold the thing is. If you got a cup, it's having ice, and you got a cup having hot tea, which one will be hotter? Yes, it will be the tea. And which one will be cold? It will be the ice. So if you put if you put thermometers in both of them, one thermometer in the cup of tea and one thermometer in the cup of ice, the cup of the tea, it will show high temperature because it is hot. High H, hot H. So the thermometer's reading, it will be high. But if you got the cup of the ice and you put the thermometer in, the temperature will be low because it is cold. Low, L, cold, it has L inside. So again, the temperature, it's how hot or cold the thing is. Again, if you got hot chocolate and if you got an ice cream, if you put a thermometer in the hot chocolate and you put a thermometer inside the ice cream itself, then the temperature of the ice cream, it will be cold, yes, and the temperature will be low, cold, low. What about the hot chocolate? The temperature will be high because it is hot. And then we said that the temperature, I measure it by the thermometer. Thermometer. We said, what does it mean by thermometer? Thermometer is just the tool. As you measure the length or anything, the book, the table, yourself with a measuring tape or a ruler, we measure the temperature by something called thermometer. Thermometer, it's just glass tube and it has a liquid inside. This liquid, it rises up very high if it is hot and goes low down if it is cold. So this is the thermometer. What about the unit? If I am saying that the book is measuring 10 centimeter, can I say the temperature it's measuring 10 centimeter? No, the temperature has a unit which is called degrees Celsius. Degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is the unit. So high temperature H, and H, it will be hot. Low temperature, it will be cold with L inside. We measure it by thermometers. The thermometers here, it has liquid inside. If it has high temperature or hot, the liquid goes up. If it has low temperature or cold, the liquid will be down. Okay, and we measure it by degrees Celsius. This is the thermometer song. It's very nice. By the way, it has some information that I didn't say it in our explanation, so you don't have to know it. But most of the information we know it. The things I didn't say, it's none of your information. Exclude it. You don't have to know it. Otherwise, the song is it's very easy, it's very nice, and you will be able to get all of the information from it. Okay, let's start. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Now I will correct with you your homework. You did it the last day, so I will be able to correct it with you. In number one, we said that the temperature will be, yes, 20 degrees Celsius. Excellent. Number two, it will be, yes, 0 degrees Celsius. Excellent. Three, it will be 100 degrees Celsius. Super. And the last one, it will be 85 degrees Celsius. Excellent ones. Now here it's the last page in the temperature and the thermometer. We are going to read the temperature in each one of those thermometers, and then he's asking you which one will be warm, which one will be cold, which one will be freezing, and which one will be hot. So first we must read the temperatures here on each thermometer, and then we'll decide which one will be warm, cold, freezing, and hot. So letter A, let's read it together. Here is the thermometer and here is the liquid. It's rising up -10, -5, and then it will be excellent. It will be 0 degrees Celsius. Excellent ones. What about letter B? Letter B, it is rising up -10, -5, 0, and then it will be excellent 5 degrees Celsius. Excellent ones. What about C? It is the liquid here rising -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, 15, and then it will be 20. Excellent ones. So it will be 20 degrees Celsius. The last one, it will be rising from -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then it will be sorry, it will be 30 degrees Celsius. Excellent ones. I want best to make sure that here, if you realize that here it goes up with 5 degrees Celsius. It's not the small dashes as the ruler, so we'll be able to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the last thermometers. Here it is going up with the 5 degrees Celsius. As we said, for example, 0 and then 5 directly and then 10. We didn't say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then we came to the 5. It's just dashes with 5 degrees Celsius, the main numbers. Okay? Don't forget this. So, number one, he's saying to you, which one will be warm? What do you think? Which one of those thermometers it will be warm? The 0 degrees Celsius, the 5, the 20, or the 30? Yes, it will be letter C. It is the warm temperature because this thermometer, it is 20 degrees Celsius. Excellent ones. What about number two? Which one will be cold? Yes, it will be letter B because it is 5 degrees Celsius. 5 degrees Celsius means that the weather is cold. Temperature is cold. What about number three? It is freezing. Which one will be freezing? Yes, it will be letter A because the temperature it is 0 degrees Celsius. Excellent ones. What about number four? It is hot. Yes, it will be letter D because it is 30 degrees Celsius. Again, I want to make sure that the reading here, it is from 0, 5, and then 10, and then 25, sorry, 10, 15, 20, and then 25, and then all of this. We are measuring with 5 to 5 degrees Celsius, but there are thermometers, I will show it to you again. This is also with the 5 degrees Celsius, from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, it is with 5 degrees Celsius. There are thermometers that they are with dashes. For example, it will be here 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then come to the 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. So take care. You are measuring with small dashes or with the big dashes. Okay? So I hope that you understood well this lesson. It's very small because I wanted to make sure that you understood the temperature and the thermometers. I hope everything will be doing well with you. Also, the next session, the next week, we will be able to revise all of the things we took, and then I will make sure that you understood everything well before we start the new lessons. So I hope everything will do with you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.